Hey, if you're posted to the right location and you put an awesome strategy together, and you're now about to pull the trigger on your ADF housing entitlements, you've got a couple of choices. What type of property do you buy? You effectively have sort of two. Do you buy an established property or a brand new one? Here at Axon Property Group, in the name of lowering the risk and maximising the cash flow, we think going brand new is a no-brainer every day of the week, and this is exactly why. It basically comes down to those two elements. You'd like, why undertake any risk if you don't need to? And why wouldn't you have better cash flow in your property? It's only going to allow you to have, extra cash flow in your life, which makes it easier from a day-to-day, week-to-week holding perspective. Did you know that when you buy a brand new property, that's when you get the government grants? For instance, the first homeowners grant doesn't apply to established properties, it only applies to brand new homes. Did you know that you only pay stamp duty on the land? So if you go and buy a $500,000 established property, you're going to pay like $20,000 stamp duty. Say you buy a $250,000 block of land and the house doesn't exist yet, you only pay half the amount of stamp duty. So you're saving about 10 grand stamp duty up front. When you've got a brand new property, people love living in a brand new property. It's in a master plan community. You're going to get high yields. You're going to get a better rent return. You're going to get a better cash flow. But also, when you buy an investment property, you get two forms of income, a rent return and a tax return. So you've got a whole lot of depreciation coming your way as well. Then you've got your builder's warranty and your structural guarantees. For us, it's an absolute no-brainer. Lower that risk, maximise the cash flow, buy brand new every day.